Of all of the intervallic exercises that I've done on chromatic harmonica that had the goal of enabling me to get to new note hole positions accurately, the one that was most valuable is one that I use called broken scales. I made it up, but I'm sure somebody else has done it. You play your first note, let's say there's 4 registers here on a 16-holer. The first C gets picked up here. Then when you go to D, you move up an octave. Then you move up another octave for the E and another for the F. You do it on all scales, but here's what it sounds like. Up and down. And then do it on the other scales too. They're large leaps, but to really move 4 holes at a clip, I think is, it's a good thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4 from where you're at puts you up to the beginning of the pattern again on the harp. So I highly recommend that exercise to improve your ability to move big distances on the harp accurately.